Okay, so then you're gonna mix it.
Are you gonna mix it with your spoon?
Of course
Okay.
you are. What else would you mix it with?
Oh, now it's being blue.
Oh my gosh, I added white sparkles
Mine's
in
just
that.
blue. Mine's just turning blue.
Wow. I love that color.
Whoa, mine's just like turning blue. You can see. What?
I think. Like,
Look
at his.
Look at mine. That's
so
mine.
cool.
Mine's just goopy.
Mine's is like,
Yeah. I have the goopy stuff. Yeah. So.
I think mine's is gonna be too.
That's my dog. Ignore him right now.
Yeah, you might know him.
Okay.
From some of the videos that he's made.
Okay, so I've stirred this now. What do I do?
No, I think you need to stir that more, dude.
What? Well, the people watching this don't just want to see us stir. And the
But then after you're done, you're gonna put in the beads. So now I think is a good time to put in the beads.
No, now I can put the beads in?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want beads, I don't like beads.
I
Makes it
love
too
the
crunchy.
beads.
Oh my gosh, you got it on me.
So I can crush them.
It's a perfect day to take a shower.
You're going to take a shower too.
I know, and I got it because I got.
Okay, this is how many beads I'm adding.
Okay, so I think
There,
mine's
that's
is-
how many. Oh.
It's good.
Whatever, I'm going to use the spoon.
Mine's is good, so I'm gonna do the baking soda
What do I do
now.
after I add the beads?
Then you can mix it up, and then you can add. Okay, that's good. Now you can
Okay.
add the baking soda.
Baking soda? Okay. Mine's is turning out good. So, not failing. Parker, why are you barking at a piece of paper towel? Oh, baking soda. Stay there. Parker, want a treat? For being so annoying? Congratulations, you got the treat for being so annoying. Have it. That's how I calm my dog down.
Yeah.
I give him an award for being the most annoying dog because sometimes he can be annoying. He doesn't bark. The good thing is though, he doesn't bark when we're sleeping.
Well.
I mean he does, but not much.
Yeah, not too much.
Okay, how do you think this is? Do you think I should start adding contact?
Yeah, let's add the contact solution.
Okay,
First,
it's non-toxic slime.
yeah. You feel so cool about that.
I feel like this is really cringy right now. That thing I was doing. You added it to me.
I know, I didn't mean to.
Okay, whatever. We're spinning it. And my slime is turning out weirder and goopier.
I know, because that's what it's supposed to be.
Oh my gosh, look at her slime. Her slime is turning out good. Mine's just looking like slop. I hope this is not another time when I fail. No, that's enough. That's enough.
Mine's just like,
Every time I make slime, it's probably because I had too much glue, or
something like
baking soda or contact solution.
yeah, I always add the right amount, and that's
Okay,
why.
I'm gonna take mine out.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Make sure to roll your sleeves up. My
It's so
my
fluffy.
mustache thing is actually starting to hurt. You're touching it already.
I know.
I'm gonna take mine out now.
Oh my gosh!
Can I take
love
mine
it.
out? Do you think it's ready?
I have no idea, really.
Whatever. Whoa, this is my slime! It's not failure! How do I control it? How do I do I have to knead it? I have to knead it.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
gonna dump mine
kneading
on.
it.
I'm dumping mine on the table.
Is that how you knead it?
Yes, you're doing it so good.
I'm
think
kneading
yours
my
might-
slime.
Mine might be a failure.
Non-toxic slime.
Dude, you keep saying that.
I only said that twice.
I know.
The word non-toxic slime. Well, that's my
I
third
think
time of saying that. You know what now? You probably know.
It's terrible intro.
What? Instructions? These are good instructions.
I guess for you, not really.
For me.
Yeah, for you, you're saying it's good. Mine
Okay, you're adding more of that, and your slime is going to turn out of all the other times. I wish I could show you clips, but I didn't record the clips. Parker, leave.
Whoa,
Okay, you cannot make slime. You're too
Dog.
We're only 2 years old.
And he's a dog.
No, really. In dog years, he's probably like 10. But in real years, he's 2. Don't gravel.
I'm putting it
I
in.
think he barks just for treats. Sometimes he does that.
Yeah. Cause
Okay, this slime is getting less sticky, but
I love mine.
it's been 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
Yeah. Ooh.
Mine's is
Okay,
actually.
I'm kneading it faster. Ow.
Mine's actually getting better.
There's like slime in the middle of my fingers.
In the middle. Oh yeah, that happens like every time.
No, like between here, like there.
And at
That's
the
what I
end
mean
of
by
this,
in
we're
the
gonna
middle.
see who stretches better.
Oh,
who
okay, I don't
looks
care.
better, and also who pokes
Mustache
better.
mandolin.
Like, duh. Oh yeah, I love it. And also who feels better. Whose slime feels better.
Parker.
I have to say,
I wish I could
it's
show you Parker right now. He's like on my leg, and now he's barking. You can hear him barking.
Parker, stop it.
That's the weirdest face ever I made. It's so cringy. But my slime isn't as sticky as it was. It used to.
Mine's just super sick.
Now I can move it around.
See, like that's your non-failure slime.
Dolly, yours is so fat, fat.
Cause it,
Mine's is so small. That's mine.
yeah, cause you didn't add shaving cream.
Yeah, but shaving cream. I have the bigger container, and mine's is this.
Actually, I
The bigger one. And I have the bigger container. But she added shaving cream. So yeah, you
That's
could make
kind
it
of
with
what-
shaving cream, or you could be like me and make
Or you
it.
could, you
It's
could be
faster.
like-
That one's harder, and it gets on her hands. See, mine is less sticky,
I got some
and
of mine.
hers isn't. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, and I think my slime is ready. My
Mine's
slime is ready.
Mine's is
And
not.
let's see how far it stretches. Whoa, that is a lot. Whoa, oh my God, no, it's falling on the floor. Oh, okay.
Mine's is less stickier.
Okay.
This
You
is-
gotta hurry up with that.
I know that. But yeah.
My mustache.
Something more.
I mean, it's just shaving cream. And it's starting to
I love
hurt.
it.
I have no clue if that's good.
Huh?
But yeah, I have no clue if
Can I
that's
feel
shave.
that?
What, this? Oh, no, I don't want pink stuff on it. No, there's pink stuff. I'll just remove
Pink
that.
stuff.
Okay.
What in the world are you calling pink stuff? pink
Dahlia, when
slime.
you're finished, I'm gonna wash off this mustache. Because it's not really a mustache, it's actually just shaving cream.
Yeah, it's shaving
Which I
cream.
pretend is,
A mustache, yeah.
yeah.
That's what makes it kind of.
Okay.
I think mine's is gonna win, I have to say. Especially with the poking part. And the stretching. Well, I mean,
Oh.
it might work. I want more. Do at least want a little shaving cream.
No, shaving cream is. I already have some on my face. If I dab this on, like, if I put this on my thing, my slime will be ruined. And yours is so fat and puffy, and I'm already done.
Yeah, I'm already
This
done.
video has been 12 minutes
Stop saying that.
of wasting my time. She wanted to make this video. I thought it would fail,
Well,
and it didn't fail.
because I helped you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I'm gonna edit your face out of this.
How could
I'm
you?
just kidding. Plus, that would look really weird. Like, imagine.
Yeah, because then this would
Or
be.
what if it was just your hair? Maybe I'll just make it your hair.
But then, how would I be making slime?
No, all you can see, you can't see your head, but you can't see your head, but you can see your hair and her body and everything. But there's no, like, you can't see your head.
Okay, so let's see.
Okay, let's see.
Who wins the challenge?
Let's see.
So, first, whose slime stretches better?
Okay.
I would say I think mine. Okay, that was a tie.
No, it wasn't mine. Oh my God, mine's is on the floor now.
I know, but it was a
No,
tie.
mine is one.
No, because they tied. They both stretched really good.
Okay.
Okay, next round. Whose pokes better? Of course, mine.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait. Can I try poking? Yeah, definitely mine. Okay. Whose looks better? Of course, mine. It's pink. See, take a nice, good look at that.
Wait, now move. This is mine slime.
Probably not.
Now put yours.
Oh, and of course mine's gonna win. And last but not least, whose falls better?
Who falls? Whose falls better? Or folds?
Oh yeah, fall. No, like who can make a bubble better?
Like, what do you mean by that? How do you even make a bubble? Oh, like that?
Okay, mine.
Yours can't make a bubble. I don't even think mine can make a bubble. So I lost.
Oh, I made a bubble. Very thick one. Oh, come on, stop making a bubble. Okay, so I won.
She won.
I won the challenge. Yay!
But at least I made successful slime.
Oh, and then there's another one.
You know what?
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, wow. Yours feels so fat and bulky. But this is if you don't use shaving cream. No! No, she ruined my slime. No, I gotta wipe this off. Ah, no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. I hate you.
I know.
I know that. You know that? Good. Because I want you to know that, but... Oh, no. Oh, no. There's toilet paper on this. No. No, my slime is failing. Oh, no. No.
That might be
This bit is dead. Ah, finally. Ah, no. You know what now? No, 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 no. Ah. No. I'm going to have to wash my socks. Slime fell on my sock. And this is the part she killed on my slime. Oh, my God. That just looks so weird. Get that out of this camera. Ah.
Who cares about that? Just get it away. Well, oh, and don't forget to smash that like button, and we'll see you all next time.
No.
Good.
I love making videos no matter how many how many subscribers we have.
We might make a part 2, and
some.
we might make a part 2 to this whole video.
Make a part 2 to the slime video.
Yeah.
Oh, so maybe we will make this. Maybe
No, we
will
definitely
make a part
will.
2 to the video.
Well, bye.
Don't end the video yet. There's something I have to show you.
Oh yeah.
No.
It's your old
So-
collection.
No. Okay, look at this. So, we are going to use this like new camera for my videos. It's gonna be this.
Yeah, and also
No,
this
it's
season-
gonna stop. Okay, now it's gonna be this. You can tilt it, and then this is the button.
This is actually my
Okay, and then you open, and then you can record videos. Just kidding, that's not the camera I might use. Might be this.